Hello friends, welcome back to Tech with IQ. I am going to let you know about a simple trick to add Hotspot in your computer. First of all, open Microsoft Store in your computer. You can simply access it from search bar as well. Here in the search bar type Hotspot. A number of options will come. See, all of them are free. I suggest you install this first one. Once you click on it, it will show this Get button. Click on this button and the hotspot will start downloading. Wait for it to complete. Its downloading speed depends on your internet connection. Here, it has been installed. Click Open button. That's it. Your hotspot has been installed in the computer. Click on the Connect button here and you can browse whatever you need to. Just note down one thing here. When the application is closed and you want to open it again, go to the search bar and type Hotspot. Click on this free VPN icon here. Here it asks for a free trial. You need to click this back button and simply connect it. Start browsing. Stop whenever you are done with your work. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to help me make more content.